Hi, and welcome to Primarytec's guide on reporting on your school's internet activity. As you are probably aware, the Department of Education has recently updated their guidelines for keeping children safe in education. During the next 5 minutes, I will briefly explain how we can help with adhering to these guidelines. Currently, your school is either filtered by an on-site smooth solution or a hosted solution. No matter which method you use, your site is now reporting ready. Okay, I will now show you what you will see when accessing your reports. You can start by simply browsing to reporting.primarytec.co.uk. Once this page has loaded, you will be met by a username and password box. As part of the sign-up process, you've received a form which asks which members of staff require access to the portal. Once you've completed that form, staff can simply log into the portal using the same username and password they use for both their PC or laptop from within the school. In order for us to demonstrate the portal, we've set up a test user and a test school. I will now go ahead and log in as that test user. As you can see, when you log in, you are met by quite a lot of data. The two main areas we'll be concentrating on are reports and safeguarding. The reports section is a simple way to monitor your school's web activity. This can be used for multiple reasons. You can simply track an individual's internet usage, a class's internet usage, a group's internet usage. You can see most used websites, most used website types and categories. It's a nice simple way to see what your staff, your pupils are doing on your internet. Okay, let me drill down into a couple of reports. If we go into top reports, we've got simple ones of top blocked websites, top blocked users, top categories within the last day, week, month. If we go into user analysis, we can have a look at the user's individual internet data. I've run one already. It's called Today's Trends. What this will enable us to do is look at today's internet usage. So, if I just click on that, okay, straight away we can see per hour what our internet usage is, how many hits it's had, how many attempts it's had to access that type of service or category or website. If we go into a more reasonable hour, okay, so 1 o'clock. Straight away you can see the types of websites that our users have tried to access. Now, obviously, this reporting function here is raw, which means the categories have not been configured. We can drill down further into that, but as this reporting is used more regularly, we can start drilling down and we can start giving more visible websites and data. Reports is a good way just to see what's going on. Okie dokie. Let's go back up to the top. Safeguarding. The safeguarding function, and today's hot topic, allows us to report on the 7 highlighted areas in the new guidelines. So we've got the abuse, the adult content, the bullying, criminal activity, radicalisation, substance abuse and suicide. These are all part of the new guidelines, and these are the topics we need to start proactively monitoring. Okay. As part of the portal, this is reactive, so we can have a look manually what's going on. So if I choose criminal activity, the last 7 days, run a report. Let's see if anything comes up. Okay, yes it has. So what this allows us to do is first of all have a look at the user or the group who's triggered a report. Obviously, this test demo, this your school, is not integrated to any servers. Therefore, we do not know who that person is. However, when it's integrated to your school, we would see the person, we'd see the time, and we'd see the website. Now, what would normally happen, however, this is a test, we could see websites either side. So we could see the last 10 websites they've been on, have they looked at numerous other subjects to do with the same, etc. It gives us a real insight to what that user is doing. As well as this method is a manual method of reporting. Alongside the manual reports, we can also set up email notifications. Now, In the sign up form, you will see notifications. In this section, you will see notification frequencies and email address. What will simply happen once you select the email address, if there is a notification and the frequency of the notification which you set, whether it be daily, weekly, monthly, hourly, you will receive an email with a report of the activity as we see in our screen now. In brief, that concludes your reporting demo. For more information on reporting or customization of reports and some training, you can speak to your account manager or contact our eSafety team.